This delicious and healthy curried zucchini slice is great for when you need a little energy boost. To get started, lightly grease a slice pan with olive oil spray and line it with baking paper. Next, heat a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil in a frying pan over high heat. Cook the onions, stirring for 3 minutes or until it softens. Then stir in the curry powder and cook for about 30 seconds or until it's fragrant. When that's smelling delicious, transfer the mixture to a heat-proof bowl. Add the zucchini, flour, cheese and eggs and stir until the mixture is well combined. Pour the mixture into the pan and then sprinkle with pepitas. Bake in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until it's golden and the surface is firm to touch. When ready, set the slice aside in the pan to cool. Transfer to a board before cutting it into pieces to serve. Whether it's for school, work or when you're out and about, this curried zucchini slice makes the perfect healthy snack.